Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to build wealth through smart investing? In this video, we'll share proven strategies to help you achieve financial freedom. From understanding the power of compound interest to diversifying your portfolio, we'll cover it all. Learn how to make your money work for you, not the other way around. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, this video is packed with actionable tips to help you build wealth over time. So, what are you waiting for? Watch now and start building your wealth today. A successful financial plan serves as a roadmap, guiding your investment decisions. Keeping your goals aligned with your risk tolerance and expected timeline for returns. A well-defined investment strategy is essential. In conclusion, by following proven strategies and maintaining discipline, you can navigate the complexities of investing, ultimately paving your path to financial freedom and wealth accumulation. A clear plan is key to achieving your long-term financial goals. By allocating investments among different asset classes, you create a buffer against volatility. Navigating financial terrain requires strategic planning and an adaptable approach to investments. By understanding market dynamics and maintaining a diverse portfolio, you can create a robust financial foundation that withstands volatility. This proactive stance not only fosters growth but also secures your financial future against unexpected economic shifts. This strategy not only mitigates risks, but also enhances your opportunities for profit, allowing you to navigate the complexities of the financial landscape with confidence and agility, ultimately leading to a more secure and prosperous future for your investments. Investing doesn't require large sums. Instead, establish a habit of contributing, which can create a powerful wealth-building strategy over time. Even the smallest contributions matter. Remember that the journey of wealth accumulation is a marathon, not a sprint. Small, consistent investments can pave the way for significant financial growth in the future. Start today, and witness your investments bear fruit over time. When you reinvest, your returns compound over time, creating a snowball effect that can significantly increase your wealth. In essence, by consistently reinvesting and letting your investments flourish, you can unlock the full potential of your financial growth. This strategy empowers you to build a sustainable wealth pathway, ensuring that your money truly works for you over the long haul. This knowledge armors you against impulsive decisions, enabling you to navigate challenges with confidence and foresight. Take control of your future. Harnessing your newfound understanding opens doors to opportunities you might not have recognized before. As you implement these strategies, you cultivate a mindset attuned to growth and resilience. Your journey reflects the power of informed choices and their lasting impact on your life. As we focus on boosting your knowledge, make sure to watch Smart Wealth Academy to learn, upgrade your skills, and transform them into real income online. We provide structured YouTube playlists designed as courses, covering various business models. If you're unsure where to begin or which model suits you best, watch each playlist in full to make an informed decision. And if you still have questions, just leave a comment, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Smart Wealth Academy is here to guide people like you towards success. We were in the middle of the video. Let's continue to today's topic. Understanding market dynamics is crucial. Therefore, regularly engaging with financial news will equip you with insights to make informed trading decisions. Confidence grows when knowledge expands. With a solid grasp of the market and ongoing trends, you can face the trading landscape with assurance, ready to seize opportunities that align with your strategies and goals, ultimately fostering long-term success in your trading endeavors. The blend of knowledge and awareness serves as your greatest ally in navigating the complexities of trading, allowing you to seize opportunities while avoiding pitfalls that arise from haste or misinformation. Embrace this mindset for long-term success. Regular assessments will help you identify any necessary adjustments to keep your investments on track and optimize potential growth. By doing so, you can better navigate the complexities of the market and respond proactively to changing economic factors, working towards achieving your financial objectives and securing a stable future for your investments. Investing in these accounts not only reduces your taxable income but also allows your investments to grow tax-free, maximizing your retirement savings potential. Utilizing tax-advantaged accounts is a smart strategy. It enables you to enhance your financial future while minimizing tax liabilities. ultimately leading to greater wealth accumulation as you prepare for retirement. In times of uncertainty, remember that each fluctuation presents an opportunity to stay the course and enhance your investment strategy for future gains. Long-term success requires discipline and resilience. In conclusion, by maintaining your focus and dedication to your strategy amidst the chaos, you unlock the potential for significant rewards in the long run, reinforcing the principle that patience truly is a virtue in the world of investing. A financial advisor not only simplifies intricate choices but also empowers you to make informed decisions that can significantly impact your financial future. By leveraging their expertise, a financial advisor can illuminate pathways toward lucrative opportunities, enabling you to invest wisely and achieve your financial goals with confidence. Ultimately, their guidance serves as a crucial element in your journey toward long-term prosperity. Focusing on emerging markets can unlock high-growth opportunities that are often overlooked in traditional investment strategies. Investing in disruptive technologies like artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and blockchain can position you ahead of market trends. Exploring income-generating assets such as dividend-paying stocks, REITs. Peer-to-peer lending allows individuals to invest in loans directly, enhancing earnings. Make income by diversifying investments. Lenders can not only increase their financial stability, enjoy the satisfaction of supporting others while earning a return. This innovative approach to financing opens doors for both investors and borrowers, creating a more inclusive economy. Investing in these innovative startups not only offers financial rewards but also the chance to support groundbreaking ideas and visionary entrepreneurs. These investments can shape the future by choosing to engage in private equity or venture capital. You not only gain potential monetary benefits but also help pave the way for innovation and economic growth, transforming industries and enriching the entrepreneurial ecosystem. Your involvement makes a difference. By consistently investing during these downturns, you're not just purchasing assets, you're strategically positioning yourself for potentially greater gains in the long run. This method reduces risk significantly. In conclusion, dollar-cost averaging stands out as a powerful strategy. Hedge funds and alternative investments serve as a strategic buffer, absorbing shocks, providing a solid foundation for continued growth in challenging economic climates. These investments can be instrumental in diversifying portfolios, enabling investors to navigate turbulent markets confidence and emerge stronger on the other side, ultimately leading to sustained financial success and resilience against future uncertainties. Diversifying your portfolio can safeguard against market volatility, while also potentially enhancing returns through well-chosen international investments. Examining such markets can lead to lucrative prospects. Exploring the vast potential of international real estate allows investors to tap into dynamic economies, creating pathways for significant financial growth. By embracing these diverse opportunities, you can not only mitigate risk but also position yourself strategically in the global market landscape. Consider joining networking events, where invaluable connections with professionals. It can lead to insights about emerging trends and opportunities that others might overlook. By engaging with these experts, you can gain first-hand knowledge. By proactively seeking out these relationships and immersing yourself in the industry, you can position yourself ahead of the curve, accessing unique opportunities that may not yet be on the radar of the general public. Investing in intellectual property forms a crucial strategy for wealth accumulation, allowing individuals to unlock financial potential through innovative assets. These assets, such as royalties and patents, not only provide immediate cash flow but also appreciate over time, significantly enhancing one's financial portfolio. By diversifying into digital assets, investors can seize opportunities within the rapidly evolving landscape, ensuring their income streams remain robust and resilient against market fluctuations. Investing in companies that prioritize environmental and social governance not only promotes positive change, positions your investments for potential financial success in the years to come. By consciously selecting sustainable companies for your portfolio, you not only contribute to a better world, it will also enhance your financial future, creating a powerful synergy between profit and purpose. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps the channel grow and keeps you updated with more insights and strategies. Join the community and stay connected.